Hi, this is Rambod with quick tips on Unreal Engine. This one's about MegaLight. Let's enable MegaLight in Unreal Engine 5.5. Make sure you're using version 5.5.1 or newer to access this feature. First, ensure your project has a post-process volume in the map. If you don't see one, don't worry, you can easily add it from the Place Actor panel. Now, take a look at the current performance of this scene. We're running at approximately 80 frames per second. Curious about the lighting setup? Check out the outliner. We have 309 visible and enabled lights in the map. Next, head over to the post-process volume. Search for MegaLight and simply enable it. That's all there is to it. Now, let's see the results. Our frames per second have jumped to around 100, giving us an impressive improvement of about 20 FPS. And that's it. MegaLight is now enhancing your performance and lighting in Unreal Engine. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips.